You have the ability to run clash analysis between geometry and point clouds. Here you see a point cloud of an airport and a solid shape that represents a 50-to-1 airplane approach cone. You start with a clash detection job. This will keep track of each clash until it's resolved. You will select your first object. This can be selected by level, reference, or item sets and named groups. Next, you will choose the point cloud to compare it against the approach. Notice how the objects change color to match the set that they belong to. You can set a soft clearance to locate areas that are close to your object. In this instance, you can prepare for trees that could be encroaching this zone in the near future. The process begins and will compare features together to locate overlapping areas. Here you see the airport approach zone depicted in red, which is compared against the point cloud of the airport and surrounding area depicted in blue. Once completed, you will see your hard clashes represented by highlighting all the clashing points in red and soft clashes highlighted in yellow. You can generate a report of the coordinates of the clashes. Here is your report that shows all the individual clashes, who has been assigned to the clash, as well as the type and XYZ location. This information can be uploaded to a surveyor's data collector to expedite field location. Adjustments have been made in the field and a new point cloud file has been created. You can reprocess the clashes against the new point cloud to see if all the clashes have been resolved. A new report is created to document that the clashes have been addressed.